Hello, Miss. This is Edric from 11 APS. Um, I am here to present my English song that I made with my friend Winner Wibisono. Winner can't be here, but he dropped me a message for you. Say hello, Miss. Yeah. So now I'm gonna present my song. This is a song about connectors that I made with my friend. Yeah.
Wake up, filthy.
Yuno Miles.
Hold on. Let me tell you something. Yeah. Put the bug in the bag. Yeah. Oops, I just got a bag. This is sound of a connector. It's a blank. I'm on Snapchat because I'm getting money. I get back so like a crab. Came from the bottom and now I'm at the top. This is sound of a connector. Went to Japan where I smoked to a turkey. Went to Japan and I brought a gingerbread cookie. Jump in the pool while I turned the water brown. Everybody like, hey, what's that sound? This is sound of a soul from connectors. Damn.
Addition, contrast, cause and effect, sequence or order, comparison and purpose, connectors. Oh yeah.
Put the butt in the contrast. Oops, I just made a connector. This is a connector. I'm on cause and effects, I'm getting money. I'm always first like an order. Came from the bottom, now I'm at the top. This is the sound of a connector. Went to Japan where I bought a turkey. Went to Japan where I talked to a gingerbread cookie. Finally, there's a sequence or order. So that, ladies and gentlemen,
You know
is a
my
purpose. Oh!